Alright students, today we are not just doing math, we are entering the Olympics of the brain. This question right here, this is an AMC question, that is the American Mathematics Competition question. Now for those who don't know, the AMC is where the world's future engineers and the code breakers flex their muscles. It's not about how many formulas you have memorized. It's about how much you can outsmart the person who wrote the test. If you can solve the AMC problems, you are not just a student, you are a mathematical ninja. We have a triangle with the vertices A 231, B 827 and C 1827, and we need the orthocenter, the place where all three altitudes hang out. Now a normal person would start writing equation for lines, calculating the slopes and doing y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, but until their eyes bleed. But we are not normal, we are efficient ones. So look at those coordinates again. Does anything look suspicious? Look at B827 and C1827. Just a second. They both have the same y coordinate, right? That means BC is a horizontal line, right? Now an altitude is perpendicular to the side of it hits, and if a side is horizontal, its altitude must be vertical, and if a side is vertical, its altitude must be horizontal. Now since BC is horizontal, the altitude from point A must be a vertical line. A vertical line passing through A 231, simplify, x is equal to 2, and boom, we already know the x coordinates of our orthocenter is 2, and we are halfway there and have not even broken a sweat. Now we need one more altitude. Let's pick the altitude from C. Just a second guys. Yes, C is 1827, hitting the side AB. So find the slope of side AB. MAB is 27 minus 31 by 8 minus 2, that is minus 4 by 6, that is minus 2 by 3. Now find the slope of the altitude. Since it's perpendicular, we flip it and change the sign, the negative reciprocal. So m alt is 3 by 2. Now write the equation for the altitude from C 1827. So y minus 27 is 3 by 2 into x minus 18. So we know from the earlier that x is equal to 2. So let's plug that in. So y minus 27 is 3 by 2 into 2 minus 18, right? So y minus 27 is 3 by 2 into minus of 16. So y minus 27 is 3 into minus 8, that is minus 24. So y will be 3, right? So our orthocenter coordinates are, orthocenter coordinate will be 2, 3. But wait, the AMC loves to watch you trip at the finish line. The question asks for the sum of the coordinates. So sum will be what? 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now looking at our option 5, 17, something scary with the square roots, that is the option number C, and D is 113 by 3 and E is 54. The answer is definitely A. Okay, and if you picked C just because it looked smart and complicated, you fell for the classic AMC brat. In math, beauty is usually simple. So, what did we learn today? Always look for the horizontal or vertical lines. They are gifts from the same math god, and the auto center is not a scary monster, it's just an intersection of the simple lines. And don't be intimidated by square roots in the multiple choice option, they are just there to smell your fear. So this was the whole solution. I think all the concepts are clear to you. So see you in the next session with a new question, with a new concept. So don't miss that out, guys. It will be very, very, very beneficial for your concepts. So see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Shorob's classes. Bye bye.